Hello my friends, welcome to Belarus. Today is so crazy weather in my country, but still I decided to do for you such kind of vlog because I'm at my parents' house in a village which is actually in 2 hours drive and far from Minsk. So I'm gonna show you how actually we will plant tomatoes because it is May, and in May we exactly start, our growing. Today we have a day X, so we're gonna plant our tomatoes from small greenhouse to a big one. Later we will collect great tasty tomatoes. So my friends, right now I am in a greenhouse where we actually plant tomatoes, growing tomatoes, and I just want to tell you a little bit how we are doing that, which kind of process is existing, and yeah. So I want to show you. First of all, you can see it is a big greenhouse, and so the very first task is to, of course, build the greenhouse itself. Then you need to prepare the land. After that, from a seeding grocery, you need to take all the tomatoes plants. Here you need to make a hole inside of the ground, which the instrument I'm gonna show you here, which kind of instrument we were using. With this one, my dad is doing holes for our plants. And then just put some water to the ground. After that, put a plant inside of the ground, cover it with soil, and give again water. And after that, every plant should be, like tied with a special bandage to the very top, so it will not fall down. And wanted to explain you why this covering is so dirty, because when we were preparing it, we need to put it together. It was crazy weather, and later basically I will be needed to clean it, so it's extra work. And the report, we started our work at 6 o'clock in the morning. Now it's 10 o'clock, and good news, we did half of the greenhouse, so we still have another one. Yeah, but now we're gonna rest a little bit, we're gonna eat maybe something, yeah, and later we'll continue. And this is our first greenhouse. So basically right now we have 2 big and 2 small, and here we have cucumbers. And this planting process my parents finished without me. It was done on 9th of May. It's best time in Belarus to do such kind of work. And we actually already have first cucumbers. I can show you here. You can see small babies here, there. Organic, no chemicals, nothing. Here we basically have with you garlic, a lot of garlic, and the first here is onion. So because our greenhouse is not so stable this year, my parents, they are fixing it with such kind of, I don't know how to say, bandage or what it is. So it will be better when, you know, strong wind is coming. You can see which kind of effect they want to achieve. So it's our first greenhouse, and they already put such kind of protection on it. It's so windy, I hope the sound is okay. I don't know, crazy. Weather have changed, but luckily we almost finished our job with greenhouse. Also, we enjoy so much when we got our first cucumbers. So the other greenhouse, it was already, you know, done by my parents, and we collected our first vegetables, yeah, cucumbers. So we can already do our own fresh salad. And want to introduce you our first cucumbers and all these green plants. It's all from our garden, so fresh, organic, amazing. And we're gonna do right now fresh salad. So basically how we cook it, we just, you know, with hands do like that, you know. And after we're gonna cut cucumbers, yeah, a little bit, and add either oil or like, you know, like kefir, we can add as well. And some salt and pepper. Pepper, yeah? I don't know in English in the right way how to say. Super fresh, smell is amazing. I cannot tell you through the camera how it's amazing, yeah? And this one I'm gonna cut now. So you can cut in any way you like, but I normally do like that. I'm gonna show you like this, and just like that, yeah? Oh, smell is so good. I wish I could share with you, my friends. Would be pleasure, but looks so nice, yeah? Perfect. As you can see, we cut it everything, yeah. And I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Not so much, because my parents don't like when it's too spicy, but little bit is good. And also, as you know, in Belarus we are very lucky in terms of milk products. So in my town also there is a production of milk, but this is another one. Anyway, so this is kefir, and I'm gonna add it to the salad. Just like that. And then we're gonna take a spoon and just, you know, do like this. Such nice colors, yeah. And little later, not little, maybe like in 1 month, we're gonna have also tomatoes, which we're taking care today of them a bit. So my friends, I wish you also bon appetit if you are ready to eat. Let's enjoy. I will ask my parents to come and we're gonna taste it. I'm sure it's super delicious. And just near our house there is such a big field. It's a government field. They grow this year here a grass. It's basically like food for animals like cows, you know, horses. And it's huge, it's really big, super big. And behind me you can see it is also a forest. A small part of it was you know, saved because there is a birds which are in a red book, and that's why it was not allowed to, you know, cut it. By the way, right now I'm filming from a small park which was created by people in our area, so I will show you a little bit here what we have. Like a memory desk of people who did for this area. So for example, here we can see Plauski Iosifovich. It is a man who basically achieved big results during his work, and that's why he was announced like a hero of work, and some other people as well here.
Trzeba za łapę trochę, nie?
Also, I just wanted to tell you that we are so busy currently. We forget that there are some other things in life that we can actually take some energy and inspiration from the nature. So maybe it's a good idea sometimes to come to such kind of places, just to enjoy, to see all this green beauty, blooming trees and everything, especially in springtime. And yeah, I hope you also really enjoying this vlog, and if you do, I invite you to subscribe the channel, and yeah, there is another videos will come like that on my channel. Enjoy and see you soon.